Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again on my new video. I am Barista Ali. Today I will show you how to use this coffee maker machine BUNN V-17 series. So let's start this video. So guys, now I will show you how to use this coffee maker company of BUNN V-17 series. So first of all, put one filter, then fix it here, and first of all, don't on your machine. See, you can see my machine already off, no have light. First of all, filling the water. Maybe your coffee maker tank is empty, so need to filling the water. Now I filling the water 1800, so water also drinking. Then after dripping all water down, so you need to wait this green indicator until this green indicator not come, so you need to wait. So guys, you need to wait this the indicator green. When this green indicator, so you can make your coffee. Already I make espresso. First clean the filter, then put the espresso. Now my green light ready. Filling the water from this tap. Now I on the down heater. So guys, now my coffee also ready. See this espresso finish. So guys, hope you like my video, and if you like my video, so please like and comment, and if you new here, so please subscribe my channel. So see you next video. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz. Wassalam.